हेलो डियर बच्चों, आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ वेक्टर इनटू इट्स कंपोनेंट्स। रिजोल्यूशन मीन्स अगर हम लोग सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बात करें तो इट इज़ द ब्रेकिंग ऑफ मेन वेक्टर इनटू इट्स कंपोनेंट्स। ये जस्ट वेक्टर एडिशन का रिवर्स है। वेक्टर एडिशन में हम लोगों ने एक वेक्टर लिया था OP and other vector we had taken as OQ and दोनों को हम लोगों ने ऐड करके एक रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर बनाया था जिसको हम लोगों ने बोला था R। यहाँ हमको गिवन होगा R, दैट इज दिस वेक्टर इज गिवन टू यू एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड इट्स component, that is OP and OQ. So if the two components obtained are perpendicular to each other, those will be called as rectangular components. जैसे इस केस में हमें OP and OQ exactly ऐसे components मिले हैं जिनके बीच में एंगल है 90 डिग्री, तो आप OP and OQ को बोलेंगे rectangular components. सो अगर आप पैरेललोग्राम लॉ लगाते हैं आपको मिलता है मेन डायगोनल इक्वल्स टू AX वेक्टर प्लस AY वेक्टर। सो वी कैन राइट A वेक्टर इक्वल टू AX वेक्टर प्लस AY वेक्टर फ्रॉम द लास्ट फिगर। नाउ AX मीन्स component along X axis, so the unit vector along x-axis is I cap and the unit vector along y-axis is j cap. So we can write AX vector equals to the vector I multiplied by a scalar AX, and AY vector will be the vector j, that is unit vector multiplied by a scalar AY. Now AX, that is X component, will be called as A cos theta, and the vertical component AY will be A sin theta. Next, magnitude of A vector will be given by under root of AX square plus AY square, and direction of this vector is represented by tan. So this is theta equal to tan inverse vertical component divided by the horizontal component. It means AY upon AX. Next we are taking the case of 3D, means resolution of a vector in 3 dimensions. As we all live in our houses are made up of different rooms. Every room is of 3 dimensions. So when a vector A is to be resolved in space means हमारा room, then we can take initial point of vector A as origin O, and hence a rectangular parallelopiped can be constructed. A rectangular parallelopiped can be constructed by 3 axes, out of which one axis is taken along OX, other OY, and third one OZ. So let these components are AX, AY and AZ. Means X axis पर आपको लेंथ मिलती है AX, Y एक्सिस पर AY and Z एक्सिस पर AZ according to the length of main vector A. ठीक है, तो आपके लिए ये components के लिए main vector A important है। Next this figure is shown rectangular parallelopiped, आपको दिखाया हुआ है in this shape. Check the shape, and because two respective sides are perpendicular to each other 90 degree and 90 degree. So therefore it is called as rectangular parallelopiped. अगर ये slant होता means like this, तब आप इसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ parallelopiped बोलते. So in this case this is a rectangular parallelopiped. मेन वेक्टर है a, आपने x कंपोनेंट लिया ax, y कंपोनेंट लिया ay एंड ऊपर जाता हुआ कंपोनेंट ले लिया az. नाउ बाय ट्राइंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन, फर्स्ट नोट द फिगर इन योर नोटबुक. OR वेक्टर इक्वल्स टू OT vector plus TR vector. If you draw figure in your notebook, you can check these OT and TR are in continuation and OR is breaking the order. Now again applying triangle law, that OT equal to OP plus OQ, but in a rectangle opposite sides are always equal, so therefore TR equal to OS, and hence putting this value over here as well as this value in this equation, we get OR vector equals to OP plus OQ plus OS, and hence vector A is given by the addition of A vector equal to AX vector plus AY vector plus AZ vector. These are the respective values. Okay, now how we find the magnitude of A vector? This is equal to under root of AX square plus AY square plus AZ square, as AX is the multiple of I cap, AY is the multiple of J cap, AZ is the multiple of K cap. And that's all about the breaking of a vector in 3D. So now in next session we will be solving numericals on resolution of the vector. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.